While the J&J vaccine is getting a lot of attention today, the other two COVID vaccines may also cause serious side effects. CBS 17 digital reporter Judith Rotana comparing all three vaccines to see which one is more likely to cause a reaction. Judith.
Angela, you mentioned that side effects reporting system. Patients and doctors can go in here and self-report side effects for any kind of vaccine that's out there right now, not just COVID-19. And right now it's showing us of all the people who had reactions bad enough to go to the emergency room, only 3% were recipients of that Johnson & Johnson vaccine. 33% were Moderna patients, and more than half, 63%, received Pfizer. Doctors say all three COVID-19 vaccines on the market are safe.
Serious side effects are exceptionally rare here. That's the key point.
Like any vaccine, they each have the ability to cause a severe side effect.
I think this is something that should encourage us to push on, knowing that we're looking really carefully at how people are responding.
In North Carolina, there are close to 1,300 reports of severe reactions. The Pfizer vaccine accounts for more than half of those. Johnson & Johnson, the lowest.
We need to counsel people to say, look, hey, if you've had problems with vaccines before, let us know. But this should in no way dissuade people from continuing to follow up and try and get the vaccine.
There are cases of people going to the hospital after a vaccine. Most of those patients received Pfizer shots.
If your nearest vaccine station is offering J&J or yours is offering Moderna or whichever, I don't truthfully mind, and I recommend to all of my patients that whichever one they have the easiest access to is the right choice for them.
Dr. Wolf says not to let this information get in the way of getting protected as soon as you can.
They are safe and they are what we should be doing, and that's for all of us.
Now, it's important to note that the CDC still has to go through all of these reports and verify that the vaccines directly cause these bad reactions. In the meantime, we're looking at how often there are reports of serious side effects from more common vaccines like the flu shot. Online in my story at CBS17.com. I'm digital reporter Judith Rotana, CBS 17 News.
All right, Judith, thank you.